Assalamualaikum everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Okay students, today we are going to start our exercise 5.4. This is the last exercise of this chapter. We were doing chapter 5, okay, that was polynomials. All right, so before starting this exercise we have some examples, so come to this one. Okay, so we have an example, that is example 7. All right, so now you can see that you have two polynomials. This is x square plus 3x plus 2 by x plus 1. Okay, so this is the quadratic polynomial. Why? Because the highest degree is 2, so that is why we would say that this is a quadratic polynomial. All right, so we have to divide this polynomial by x plus 1. This is a linear polynomial. Okay, so next, the divisor is x plus 1. Okay, so you will just focus on the first term. The first term is x square, so you have to make this x plus 1, what variable or number should be multiplied by x plus 1 to get x square first. Okay, so first focus on the first term. We have to make it x square. We have to make this x as x square. How can we make it? All right, we will multiply this x by another x to get x square. Okay, let's see. We have x plus 1 into x, we will multiply it, x into x will be x square, and then when we will multiply x with 1, it will be x into 1 will be plus x, because plus 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 and x into 1 is x. All right, so we will just write it. So in the quotient we have first term, we have x. Okay, so next we will write it like this. Okay, now for subtraction we will change the signs. As you know that whenever we have some questions for subtraction, we have to change the signs first. Okay, so here it is plus, we will just encircle it and then we will change it, it will be minus. Now you can see that plus minus minus, so the answer will be 0. Here it is plus, we will change this plus as minus, so it will be plus minus minus, 3x minus x will be 2x. All right, okay, and plus 2 as it is. All right, okay, now we have the first term is 2x, and we have to make this this polynomial or this term as 2x. Okay, just focus on the first term. All right, okay, what number should be multiplied by x to make it 2x? All right, so we will multiply this x plus 1 by 2. It will be 2 into x will be 2x. 2 ones are 2. Now this is the exactly same answer with opposite signs. Okay, because with the same sign, sorry, so when we will just change the signs, it will be opposite, and then we will cut it. All right, so the remainder will be 0. Okay, we will write it like this, 2x plus 2, then we will change the signs. If it is plus, it will be minus. If it is plus, it will be minus. So plus minus minus 0, plus minus minus 0, so the remainder is 0. So we can say that our answer is x plus 2. Okay, so let's start the exercise, that is exercise 5.4, and our first question is x square plus 7x plus 12 by x plus 3. Okay, now you can see that again we have a quadratic polynomial, and we have to divide this polynomial by x plus 1, that is the linear polynomial. Okay, just focus on the first term. We have to make this variable, this first term as x square. Okay, so what variable should be multiplied to make it x square? We will multiply this x plus 3 by x. This is so obvious. Okay, x plus 3 into x will be, x into x will be x square, plus x into 3 will be 3x. All right, okay, we will write it like this, x square, whatever the second term will be. All right, okay, now we will change the signs. This is 0, plus minus minus, 7 minus 3 is 4x with positive sign, because the bigger value has the positive sign. All right, plus 12. Okay, now we have to make it 4x. We have to make here 4x. All right, so what number should be multiplied by x to make it 4x? 4. All right, so we will multiply x plus 3 by 4. 4 into x will be 4x, and 4 3s are 12. Okay, so we multiplied by plus 4 because that was the positive 4. Okay, so it is 4x plus 12. Okay students, just keep in your mind that when we will multiply here, when we will multiply some number by this divisor, we will get the same numbers and same signs. Okay, when we will subtract it, we will change the sign, then it will become 0. Now we will change the signs, it will be 0. We'll change the sign, it will be 0. So the remainder is 0. So your answer is x plus 4. Clear? All right, come to the question number. I think I should solve question number 2 and then I will solve question number 4, 5 or 6. Okay, when then we will just solve the cubic polynomials. All right, okay, so come to the question number 2. Question number 2 is 9x square plus 6x plus 1 by 3x plus 1. We will write it in this way. Okay, basically this is your long division method. This is called long division method. Okay, so we have to make this 3x as 9x square. So it is so obvious that we will multiply a variable by this 3x, it will be x. Okay, that variable will be x. All right, but just focus on this, we have to make it 9x square. So what number should be multiplied by 3? It will be 3x. 3 3s are 9, x are x square plus 3x into 1 is 3x. All right, so it will be 3x. We will write it like this, plus 3x. Then next step is we have to subtract it. This is plus, it will be minus. This is plus, it will be minus. Plus minus, minus. 6 minus 3 is 3x with positive sign and plus 1. Okay, now we have to make it 3x plus 1. We need 3x plus 1. What number should be multiplied by 3x plus 1 to get this 3x plus 1? That is exactly, now you can see that our divisor is same, our remainder is same. So we will multiply by 1 to get the same number. We will multiply this 3x plus 1 by 1 to get the same number. All right, so it is plus 1, 3x plus 1. Now you can see that this is these are the exactly same terms. All right, so we will change the signs and then we will get the answer, that is 0. So this implies that we have an answer, that is 3x plus 1. So the answer is 3x plus 1. Okay, so next I'm gonna solve question number 4, yeah, in which we would have negative numbers as well, right? Okay, come to the question number 4. This is your question number 4. This is a square minus 8ab plus 16b square, and we have to divide this polynomial by a minus 4b. Okay, so first we will write it like this: a square minus 8ab plus 16b square, and the divisor is a minus 4b. Now first, this is too obvious, this is so easy that we have to make this a as a square. So of course we will multiply it by a. So we will multiply it by a. It is a minus 4b into a will be a square minus 4ab. Okay, so we will write it like this: a square minus 4ab. Okay, next step is subtraction. We will subtract it like this. Okay, then we will change the signs. It will be minus, if it is minus 8ab plus 4ab, it will be minus 4ab because the bigger value has the negative sign, plus 16b square. Now we have to make this this polynomial as minus 4ab plus 16b square. Okay, so what number should be multiplied, what number or variable or term or something like should be multiplied by this polynomial to get 4ab? Okay, we will this is so obvious that we will multiply this variable by 4. Okay, fine. When we will multiply it by 4, it will be 4a minus 16b. Okay, but we need b and b square as well. So we will multiply it by 4ab. All right, so we will multiply it by 4ab or 4b. It will be, I think it should be 4b. Okay, sorry, not a. We will multiply it by 4b simply. Okay, so just check it. A minus 4b, 4b. What comes in your mind, just check it first. All right, then you will write it 4ab minus 16b square. Okay, now you can see that we have positive 4ab minus 16b square, but we need minus 4ab plus 16b square. So what can we do? We will just put the sign negative and we will multiply with the negative sign. When we will multiply it minus minus, it will be minus plus minus, and here it is minus minus plus. So our answer is minus 4b, and now this is exactly what I wanted. Okay, so here it will be plus minus, we will just cut it out, and then we will get the remainder, that is 0. So the answer is a minus 4b. Okay students, I hope it is clear. So you can solve question number 3, question number 5 and question number 6 by yourself. All right, I hope it is clear. Take care.